Yes, dear students, in this video we are going to discuss about another part of our subject. It is innovation. So our course is creativity and innovation in the organization. So in the previous classes we have discussed about the various concept of innovation, types of innovation, etc. Types of concept of creativity and the types of you know creativity, etc. In today's class we are going to discuss about innovation. We are going to discuss about another part. It is innovation. So what is innovation? So it is innovation, the term innovation derived from the Latin word innovare, that which means to renew. Okay, the term innovation derived from the Latin word which mean innovare, which means to renew. So innovation as that which is simply newly which is newly introduced. So, okay, innovation, that's in it's in simple terms, it means which is newly introduced. So innovation is equal to invention and exploitation. Invention, creating the new things, and exploitation, exploiting the things. Innovation is the means used by companies to adapt, differentiate, and survive. The innovation is the one way which is used by the companies to adopt, differentiate, and survive, especially in environment that turbulent times like the present. Okay, so especially in the such environment which are uncertain environment. Okay, so we are do not know what advancement in technology that makes takes place tomorrow. So what technology that we are using is not similar as yesterday that we were using. So a technology advancement is taking place on the continuous basis. So innovation is the one strategy or one method, one means where the companies are taking adopting themselves, adopting in innovation for the purpose of survive or differentiate themselves from the other product or in the competitive environment. So that is what the innovation is very important now. So the innovation is which is newly introduced in single word. It is a newly introduced. So this is derived from the Latin word innovare, which means to renew. Okay, so innovation is the creation of new products and the techniques. Innovation is the creation of the new products or techniques. Innovation is the creation of new products or techniques or a process or a services by generating and implementing the new ideas to make them useful. Okay, so in this it is very clearly it is said innovation is the creation of the new products. It is the creation of the new products or a new techniques, new products or new techniques, new process and services. Okay, new products, new techniques, new process and services by generating and implementing new ideas to make them useful. So innovation is the creation of the new products and the techniques and the process, new products, techniques, and the process and the services by generating the and implementing the new ideas to make them useful. So innovation is the creation of the new products, new techniques, new process, and the services. Okay, in creation of the any new products or the new techniques, new process, or new services by generating and implementing new ideas to make them useful. Now, what are the types of innovation? What are the different types of innovation? So this, the first classification was made by the Skemter in 1934. According to the OECD 2005 Oslo manual, there are four types of innovation. Basically there are four types of innovation. They are product or service innovation, process innovation, marketing innovation, organization innovation. Product or service innovation, process innovation, marketing innovation, or organizational innovation. Okay, let us see the first, what is a product or service innovation. So is the introduction of the good, or it is the introduction of the goods or services that is newly or significantly improved with the respect to its characteristics of intent and use. Okay, the production, the introduction of the goods or the services which are new, or which are significantly improved. okay, with the characters with respect to the their characteristics, the features of the product, okay. New features are added or the new product is developed, okay. It is a introduction of a goods or services which that is new or significantly improved with related to the characteristics and the uses, with related to the characteristics of the product, with related to the uses of the product. New features are added or the improvements are made in the existing product. That is what the product or service innovation. So this includes significant improvements in technical specification. This includes significant improvements in technical specification, components and materials, okay. It is improving the significant improvements in technical specification, components and materials, incorporated software, user friendliness or other functional characteristics. This includes significantly improving the technical specification. In the technical specification or the components that are used, material that are used, or in the software that is used, or user friendliness or other functional characteristics. Improvements in all other characteristics like specification of the product, improvement the specification of the product, components of the product, material used, or a software or user friendliness, all other functional characteristics are bringing the improvements in these characteristics. So the product innovations can utilize new knowledge or technology. Product innovations can utilize the new knowledge or technology, or can be based on new uses or combinations of existing knowledge or technology. So the product innovation can utilize the new knowledge or the technology, or can be based on the new uses or combination of existing knowledge or technology. Okay, product innovation can be utilized for the new technologies, or it can utilize the new technology or the new knowledge, or it can be used on new uses or the combination of existing knowledge. That is the product or the service innovation. Next, we have the process innovation. So process innovation, it is the implementation of new or significantly improved production or delivery method. It is the implementation of new or a significantly improved production. Implementation of new or significantly improved production or a delivery method. Okay. So it is implementing the improved production or a delivery method. So this includes significant changes in techniques, equipment or software. This is the process, okay. Previous it is the in the bringing the changes or improvement in the product or goods or the services. Now it is the process, the technique that is used, software that is used, or the the procedure that is used, improving that procedure, including that process, that maybe a delivery process or maybe a production process, bringing the improvement in that. So this includes significant changes in techniques, equipment or software. The process innovations can be intend to decrease unit cost of the production. The process innovations can intend to decrease unit cost of the production or delivery, to increase the quality or to produce or deliver new or significantly improved products. Okay, so the process in innovations are aimed at decreasing the unit cost, decreasing the production cost of production of a productivity or the delivery, or increasing the quality or to produce or deliver new or significant improve the product. This is the aim of the goal of the process innovation. You bring the innovation in the product for the purpose of to decrease the cost of the unit, or or a or a decrease the cost of production or the delivery, or increasing the quality, or to deliver or produce a newly or significantly improved products. Next, marketing innovation. So next, marketing innovation, it is the implementation of new marketing method involving significant changes in product design or packaging, product placement, product promotion or pricing. So it is the implementation of new marketing method involving the significant changes in the product design, packaging, product placement, product promotion or pricing. So in terms of a marketing, like you're bringing the improvement in the marketing, okay. Implementation of the new marketing method. It may be changing the product design, packaging, or changing the customer target groups, or the product placement, or a product promotion, or a pricing, etc. So the marketing innovations are aimed at better addressing the customer need. The marketing innovations are made, or this a goal of the marketing innovation to better address the customer needs, opening up the new markets, or newly positioning a firm's product, opening up the new market or the newly positioning the firm's product on the market with the objectives of increasing the firm's sale. Okay, newly positioning the firm's product on the market. okay, the customer, your targets, the new, you are introducing the product to the new market, or you are introducing the new market, new products to the existing market. So the newly positioning the firm's product on the market with the objectives of increasing the sales of the company. So that is marketing innovation. So it is a addresses the customer better, addressing the customer needs, opening up the new market, introducing the mark and new products to the new market, or newly positioning the product. You are uh, uh, targeting the same product, existing product, to the new market segment, etc. Next, organizational innovation. So it is the implementation of new organizational method in the firm's business practice or workplace organization or external relation. So this is the implementation of the new organizational method, implementing the new organizational method in terms of business practices, bringing the new methods or new practices in the business practices or in the workplace organization, or with related to the external relations. So organizational innovation can be aimed to the increasing the firm's performances by reducing administrative cost or a transaction cost. Okay, this is aimed towards increasing the firm's performances by reducing the administrative cost or a transaction cost, and improving the workplace satisfaction, that is productivity, employee satisfaction, gaining the access to the non tradable assets such as external knowledge, reducing the cost of the supplies. Okay, knowledge management, reducing the cost of the supplies, etc. So the organizational innovation is the implementation of the new organizational method, okay, in the business practices or in a workplace organization or external relation. Organizational innovation can be intend to increase the firm's performances, intend to increase the firm performances by reducing the administrative cost, transaction cost, improving the workplace satisfaction, or access to the knowledge of external knowledge, or reducing the cost of the supplies, etc. So these are the four types of innovation, students. They are product or service innovation, process innovation, marketing innovation, and organizational innovation. So product, it is bringing the changes, innovation, or implementing the new products, or bring in the product, in the service, goods and the services, implementing the new things. Process innovation, the way that is product delivered, that is bringing the introducing the new things. Marketing innovation in terms of packaging, price. Organizational performances, organizational practices. So these are the types of innovation. Yes, that's all for today's.